Sha agus tá Laoch Na hImeartha Conor Bowe Laoch Na in Sahara Dave Lina. Conor, can you put that into words?
Oh, unbelievable. Coming to the hour, coming to man. Jake, you know, senior player for us. Absolutely huge moment there. And, you know, I couldn't have put the ball in anyone else's hands. What a leader, and he buried it, thank God.
If there was a roof on the stadium, he'd have lifted it off it with the crowd. I mean, it was an incredible game. It just started to take on its own life, its own momentum. It must have been unbelievable to be part of it.
Yeah, breathtaking is really the word. Like, I'm still out of breath. Like, and you know, the game ended a few minutes ago. Just the pace with the standard, the commitment from both sides. I go to college now in Cork, and I know a few of them lads. You know, they're serious hurlers. But we know we're under no illusions though. This time we must have fine, and they'll be back again. And, you know, we go again in 10 days' time.
That's the whole incredible thing about this. You would have sworn this was knockout hurling, that the loser was going home. Both teams through, that said, to the All-Ireland semi-final. You played each other at minor, you drew, you went to a replay. Cork had the upper hand that day. The teams know each other really well. There was a huge amount of respect. There was hardly a dirty stroke pulled in that game. It was just incredible intensity, wasn't it?
Yeah, absolutely savage, and that's the beauty of the modern game. Like, you know, everyone's out there looking to bring a higher level of intensity in the other team, and when both teams come to the standard, like, it creates an unbelievable game, an unbelievable spectacle. And, you know, thankfully both teams came with it, and more thankfully we came on the right side of it.
Well, that's a good way to finish it. Conor Bowe is too Laoch Na hImeartha Laoch agus Cara Culleen agus an Ladog se Owen O'Canada, her County Board Gash Energy Rewards Club of Running Gradam Laoch Na hImeartha.